Hi guys, so I'm going to be addressing the issue of the Clash Royale update where, as you can see, this thing goes in full screen, but it cuts out through the edges, and it's just very annoying. I don't think it's playable. Look at that. So pretty much what you have to do is, if you have a TV, I have a Samsung TV, and allows for screen mirroring, or any other device any other screen that you can connect to with your Samsung Galaxy. Just go ahead and do that. But we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Just go all the way to the Smart Edge. Nope, sorry, I have to. Okay. Now, disclaimer here: this can only be done while the TV itself is on. So you just want to go here on the little Smart View tab that comes up. Go into Settings and change the resolution from that to 16:9. Okay, and then just exit out of that and go back in here, and you'll see now that the game has the black lines again, and everything is seeable. See, and it's indeed the new one. There's the quests, new battle mode, everything is good. Of course, you can only have it this way while connected to the TV, but in the meanwhile, it's the only thing I can find. If I do find something else, I will try to upload it, but for now, enjoy.